We will be making Asian chicken macaroni soup, recipe cooked by me and my mum. First, heat the stock pot over medium-high heat and add the oil. Stir fry the onion and garlic until soft. Add the vegetables and continue to stir fry for 5 to 6 minutes. And then we add boiled water. 6 to 8 cups.
Alright, perfect. And then we add the chicken.
Yeah, season the broth.
And if you like, you can also add bouillon powder. Cover the stock pot and bring it to boil.
Okay.
Alright?
And after that, lower the heat and cook the chicken for 10 to 15 minutes.
I think we're done. I think the broth is ready.
Cook the macaroni separately. To serve it,
Yeah.
fill a bowl with the macaroni and top with the chicken broth.
And we're done.
Yeah.
Dig in.